Hey bloomers, I am Danielle Freckleton. Welcome back to another episode of Blooming by Grace, a space where we use grace to chart our journey. We all have encountered challenges, fears, or failures, but no matter what it is, this is a place. It is the only space where we will bloom. And darlings, we're not just blooming, but we're blooming by grace. All right, guys. So after this video right here, someone reached out to me. How do I make Christian friends? Like, I don't have any Christian friends. And that is understandable because it can be for varied reasons. You don't really go out, you're not very sociable, could be because you're shy, and many different reasons. So today I'll be sharing with you 5 tips on how you can either make Christian friends or be that Christian friends. Stay tuned. Tip number 1, be friendly. I mean, not just friendly, be intentional with it. Proverbs 18 verse 24 reminds us, a man that hath friends must show himself friendly, and there is a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. All right, so you're in a season where you're like, I don't have many friends. This could be because you're not friendly enough. And you have a lot of people out there that they too are not friendly. But let's flip the script. If you are supposed to go up to somebody and say, hi, how are you? What is your name? For some, it might be hard, but that might just be the connecting factor between you and somebody else. Let's be honest. I remember like most of my friends that I now have, it was like random, hey, or how are you? Because truth and in fact, that's just how some connections form. Sometimes it might be awkward, it might be weird, but you desire friends, right? Christian friends, that is. So you have to be friendly. And remember, you're not just being friendly, you are being intentional about it. Another one, authenticity. In Jamaica, we would say real, no real. So when you are authentic, you are who you are, you will attract your people. So there are people just like you, just the way you are with all your characteristics. I mean, we're still work in progress, right? But yeah, you literally, in just being you, in being authentic, people will be attracted to you. And I'm saying all of this, right? But let us remember, like, you can't be friendly and intentional in your home. You cannot be authentic in your home. So you have to step out. You have to be known. And in being known, you're going to show up. Showing up at church events, participating in church events. You just have to be involved. So be involved in church activities, outreach. When there's a camp, sign up for camp. If there's no camp, then you can be the one that initiates it in your church. That will not just involve your regular Saturday or Sunday worship people that you are just with, but some that can involve other people outside of that category. And so when these events are being held, you have to go so that you can meet new people and create new experiences. And when you go to these events, remember, reach out. Reach out and touch the Lord as he passes by. Reach out because you can be there and you can be with all these people. All these people are here, some waiting for you to talk to them, some just as shy as you are. You gotta reach out. Hey, how are you? And then even after that, if the bond would have, or probably the little time where there you were not able to form that good bond, like reach out to the person after. Hey, how are you? And just by that, or just by being concerned, even after, you can create lifetime Christian friendships that can help you and that you can help the other person. So together you can grow in Christ, bloom, and become your best selves. We all know that everything is online nowadays. And if you know what I know, church experience, watered down. So it's almost like persons are not as sociable as they used to be before the pandemic. And this has caused a big strain where social activities and just time spent with others, it just watered down. And so I would advise you to join other, like you have a lot of Christian content creators out here and they have community, some of whom have live worships on Zoom, some of whom Just have a community of like-minded people, and you might be afraid to join them, as sometimes I am. You're like, I don't really know these people or whatever, but it just takes that one step. And in taking that one step, you might just create lifetime friendships that will blow your mind. Just think about yourself beyond fear. Think about yourself beyond yourself, and to just create that community for yourself, create that space for yourself that you can be able to have more Christian friends. And it might come easy for different people because we all are unique beings. So even me saying these things, for you, it might be totally different. And that is okay. At the end of the day, if you don't even happen to follow the tips here, or even if the tips you have don't really work and you're just one that will not really have many friends, that too is okay. But remember, there is a friend and he sticks closer than a brother. His name is Jesus, Jesus. He got you. Even when friends fail, family members, everybody, when they fail, he promised that he will never leave us, neither will he forsake us. He is a friend. He is way more than a friend. He's a friend for this life and beyond. Remember, keep praying, keep trusting God, and know that whatever situation you are now encountering, He, God, is able to deliver you. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are. I don't know what you're going through, why you saw this video. But I thank you for making it thus far, and may you never forget that you, yes, you are not too dirty for God to cleanse. You are not too broken for God to mend. You are not too far for God to reach, nor are you too guilty to fall at His feet. Have yourselves a blessed whenever you watch this. Remember to like, click that notification bell so that you can see every time I upload a video. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a sister, tell a cousin that we're over here and we're blooming. Darlings, we are not just blooming, but we're blooming by grace. See you next time. Goodbye.